can tell by your eyes that you probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they are mirrors. Talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay, won't you listen to my heart?